Okay, so I want to start off by giving you a little background about how I came to be giving these cooking classes. So I grew up in a very large family in Hong Kong, and my sisters and brothers and I used to really look forward to our dinners because my mother was a fantastic cook. She was Malaysian Portuguese, so she used to cook us very spicy curries and exotic dishes from all over Asia. But then I got sent to boarding school in England where the food was very bland, boiled and boring. And it was a little bit of a culture shock. And I was so homesick for my mother's cooking. That is what motivated me to learn cooking from her. But learning to cook from her was a little bit of a challenge because she never used recipes or measured anything. She always used to say to me, it's all just a little bit of this and a little bit of that. But later, I found that that was actually a great way to learn because it forced me to use my sense of taste and smell instead of slavishly following directions in a recipe. So that's the approach that I want to show you today. Her food was very complicated and time-consuming, and I knew that when I started giving cooking classes in America that nobody was going to cook that way. So that is why I developed what I call my visual roadmap technique. So it doesn't require any recipes. I call it no recipe, no measuring technique. And once you understand that, you'll be able to create hundreds of your own recipes and just focus on having fun.